Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make tuna pasta bake. First, let's get our pasta ready. You'll want to boil about 175 grams of your favorite pasta like penne or fusilli until it's al dente. Once cooked, drain it well and set it aside. While that's happening, preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius, which is 350 degrees Fahrenheit, so it's ready for baking. Next, let's create that delicious, creamy sauce. In a saucepan, melt about 50 grams of butter over medium heat. Then stir in 50 grams of plain flour to make a smooth roux. Slowly, and I mean slowly, whisk in 500 milliliters of milk, ensuring there are no lumps until the sauce thickens nicely. Don't forget to season it with a pinch of salt and some freshly ground black pepper for flavor. Now it's time to bring all those wonderful components together. Take 2 cans of tuna, drained well, and add them to your creamy sauce. Then, incorporate the cooked pasta. For an extra touch of color and nutrition, stir in about 100 grams of frozen peas and sweet corn. Gently mix everything until all the ingredients are evenly coated in that rich, creamy sauce. Finally, let's get this delicious bake into the oven. Pour the entire mixture into an oven-proof dish. Generously sprinkle about 100 grams of your favorite grated cheese, like cheddar, over the top. Bake it for 20 to 25 minutes, or until the cheese is golden brown and bubbly. Let it rest for 5 minutes after baking, then serve and enjoy your homemade tuna pasta bake.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.